Transform any finished indoor surface into an instant magnetic dry erase whiteboard with Quickboard. Quickboard is a lightweight and portable adhesive dry erase surface that serves as an instant whiteboard. The installation process is very easy with self-adhesive on the back of the sheet. Just remove the release liner and adhere to your clean surface, either wall or glass. Not only does the sheet have white dry erase film on the front, but it also has a magnetic receptive material and magnets will adhere to the dry erase surface. The dry erase whiteboard is perfect for office conference rooms, warehouse tracking schedules, tracking the kids' events at home, and so much more. Unlike traditional thin whiteboard paper, Quickboard is very thick, which is 3 or 4 times thicker than the traditional wallpaper whiteboard. It is made of premium quality PET film and a thick rubber layer, and super durable. Thick materials will greatly enhance your writing experience, and it is also flexible and easy to cut with a flatbed cutter, scissor, or a roll cutter. The self-adhesive feature covers the entire back of the whiteboard sheet. Quickboard has a variety of sizes for you to choose from. We have small to large sizes, which is available in rolls. Just trim the whiteboard sheet to fit your space. Just peel off the release liner and stick the adhesive to clean and dry a surface. A small-size Quickboard is suitable for home education and for those who are working at home, while large-size magnetic whiteboard can be applied in office, school, and more. What are you waiting for? Transform your space into an instant magnetic whiteboard in seconds with Quickboard. For more information, visit our website at www.deckergraph.com.